Hi everybody, today I would like to talk about Shui Hai acupuncture point. Shui Hai acupuncture point is located on this little finger, the fifth finger. It is located on the medial phalanx of this finger. If we divide this into three lines, the points will be located on the ulnar side. We divide it into 3/3, and the points will be located on these junctions. Shui is water and Hai is sea. So we understand that this area is treating water element, meaning it treats the kidney. And in Master Tung's, the little finger is the area of the kidney. These points will treat pain disorders or bone disorders related with the kidney. We know the kidney is regulating and controlling the bone. So any structure imbalance and even acute pain, for example, the neck, if we have a torsion or a stiff neck, we can use Shui Hai puncture points. So if we have along the vertebra lower back pain, we can also use the points. So when we are relating the problem to the kidney, we are relating it to the structural aspect of the water element. So the du mai will be relevant. And also you can use it for headaches, for sciatica pain. Usually, remember that we will need to combine other acupuncture points. For example, for the upper part of the back, let's say the neck, I would also add Ling and Da Bai. So this point was not listed in Master Tung's original book, but was added by Dr. Hu Wenzhi, which was his disciple, according to his observation in the clinic. This is actually also will be a great point for the acute pain of the neck. So you don't want to miss it. We can also add 7701 and 02 acupuncture points to relieve neck pain. And there is also another acupuncture point which is called Pian Jian. Pian is the side of something and Jian is the shoulder. This point in Dr. Hu Wenzhi is located exactly as the Huangqiao acupuncture point. Actually, according to Dr. Hu, Huangqiao acupuncture point will be located on the radial side and not on the ulnar side. So, according to Dr. Hu Wenzhi, another point which can treat acute neck pain will be Pian Jian acupuncture point, and you will probably know it according to Western location of Huangqiao acupuncture point. So if you have an acute and a stiff pain of the neck, for example, the patient woke up with a stiff neck, you can use this Shui Hai acupuncture point with Pian Jian acupuncture point, which we all know as Huangqiao. So how do we puncture? So as I mentioned, the point is located on the middle phalanx, and we will divide this phalanx into three longitudinal lines, and Shui Hai will be located on the most ulnar line. So I locate the midline and I go 0.3 tune to the side and I puncture. And this will be the first. And the needling is shallow. It is located on the lateral side of the middle finger. It's a 3-point set distributed equally on this line. Here you can see Shui Hai on the pinky finger, and on the fourth, this is Pian Jian, which is sometimes mostly known as Huang Chao location in the West, but according to Dr. Hu, Huang Chao will be located on the radial side and not on the ulnar side. And according to Dr. Yang Wei Jie, this is the location of Huang Chao on the ulnar side. This is how I puncture Huang Chao. But life is confusing. So according to Dr. Hu Wenji, Huang Chao is on the radial, and this is Pian Jian acupuncture point, which is good for pain problems, for shoulder, let's say frozen shoulder, and also back pain and headaches. So this point will be also good for treating neck pain and back pain, upper back pain. So if you combine Shui Hai with Pian Jian, you actually working on kidney and liver, since kidney is the fifth finger, liver is the fourth finger, and this is a good combination to treat bone, muscles, and also tendons. So if we have an acute problem of sprain, this can be a good combination.